Hello, this is Anwar Sadat again, Mahatma Gandhi National Fellow for Wayanad District of Kerala. Let me share my 4th week's experience with you all. 4th week's achievable was to collect education data and Antyodaya data. School education and Antyodaya data need to be collected to identify the potential skill hubs, understand the supply of manpower, identify the gaps, identify the infrastructure facilities, and understand the year-wise improvement in various indicators. Regarding school education data, there are 419 schools in Wayanad. The enrollment data, the details of vocational schools and trades being offered there, etc. were collected by me. The learnings which I got from this week are: in Kerala, the Sarva Shiksha office populates the data to various portals and dashboards. This could be the same in other states too, but I don't know the situation there. But in Kerala, this is how it happens. So, a good rapport with the officials at the Sarva Shiksha office will help in collecting the data. Otherwise, the process will take longer duration to get completed. I went to the Sarva Shiksha office. I made a rapport with the programmer who uploads data to UDIS Plus and other MIS portals of Kerala government as well as portals of Government of India. And I requested him to share data, and he was more than ready to share it. So I prepared an Excel sheet with titles, columns of required data, and I shared it with him, and he gave that to me on Friday evening, and I uploaded the data after analysis on Saturday. The mechanism or staff working in the field level of government need to be monitored better so that the program implementation and schemes that are being implemented at ground level will become more effective. This is what I got from an education institution which I visited recently as part of 4th week's achievable. I went to a school, a model residential school, and I had a discussion with the principal and the staff, and that is what they said. In an incident, they conducted a program and they wanted a few people support to mobilize. Those few people were government functionaries at field level, but they were not helping in that regard, and the program mobilization was a failure. So the principal asked me to make a system which monitors those field functionaries. And the challenges that I faced during 4th week are: I couldn't visit Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya and Kendriya Vidyalaya as board exams were going on. Data was collected without visiting those schools. Also, a meeting with the principal was arranged for the next week. So I need to spend a few hours. I need to spend a day. I need to go there and visit the school and discuss with the principal while preparing the district skill assessment report. So anyway, since that will be a useful effort, I'll be taking that extra effort in the next week. The plan for next week is to prepare district skill assessment report as well as to collect data according to the NEP targets. That's all for this week. See you on next week. Thank you.